Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and in today's video we are doing a Indian traditional Navratri glam makeup look. So this look is dedicated to the 5th day of Navratri where the color is royal blue, and I'm so in love with this look because it has turned out to be so glam yet very wearable, and you guys also asked me to do Indian traditional wearable looks. So I'm so excited to share this look with you all, and now without any further ado, let's just get started with the video guys. So to start off the base makeup, I'm going to be obviously using a primer, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Forward Stick Primer. Applying it all over my face, and then I'm going to be massaging it with my fingers as well. The primer is on, and now it is time for the foundation, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face Foundation Stick in the shade Mocha, and using the brush that it comes with, I'm going to be blending my foundation in. This foundation adds a really nice healthy looking glow to the skin, so I thought this is the perfect foundation for today's look. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Liché, and I'm dotting it out on the usual areas where we highlight our face. I absolutely love the amount of coverage the concealer adds to the face, and it is very beautiful concealer for brightening purpose specifically. As always, blending is a necessity, so keep on blending the products to make sure that it looks really nice on your skin. So the concealer blended in beautifully, and you can see how beautiful and nicely highlighted our skin looks. Now for contour and blush, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics stick products for both. The contour stick is in the shade Fawn first, and the blush stick is in the shade Coral. This contour shade is really creamy yet very subtle on the skin, and I personally love subtle contour. You can see how beautifully the product blends into your skin and looks very natural on the skin. So that's basically it for contour. Moving ahead towards the blush, I am using the blush in the shade Coral, and this shade is so beautiful on my dusky beauties out there. I swear to God, you need to try this product out. This looks so natural yet so beautiful, and even it smells really nice and mild. And yeah, I am just blending the product out now. So to set our base for today, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Powder. Applying it underneath my eyes, on my nose, and basically I'm going to be swirling my brush all over my face then, to spread out the product evenly on my face and make my face look matte. I'm going to be skipping on highlighter because my face naturally looks glowy enough. Also, I did my brows off camera, and moving ahead towards the eye makeup now. For the eye makeup, first I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl Pencil, and I'll just line out my eyes first. As you can see, I'm doing nothing but just lining out my eyes. Now I'm lining my waterline as well. So now using the Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking a brown and black shade to smudge my eyeliner out. Making sure to smudge my waterline as well using the same shades. Using a round fluffy brush, I'm just going to make sure to blend everything nicely now. Using the blue shade from the same palette, I'm going to be applying it on my lids now. To make that shimmery shade even more intense, I'm going to be applying it with my fingers now. And then using the same round fluffy blending brush, I'm going to make sure to blend it out nicely. For mascara, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara and applying it on my lashes now. Applying some of it on my lower lash line as well. For my lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. This one is in the shade Maroon Vibe. This is a really pretty maroonish red sort of color. This lipstick lasts for a really long time, and it is very creamy, very pigmented, and it looks really nice as well. I mean, I love the shade specifically. Not just that, I personally think that this lipstick shade is something which complements every skin color. And yeah guys, with that we come towards the end of this video. I absolutely love how this makeup look has turned out to be. Something very subtle, glam, very wearable as well, and obviously traditional Indian look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video as much as you can, and I'll be back with more such videos. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye.